Hey guys, I am Abhishek Shinde. Today we will begin with sequence and series. First of all, you have to know the difference between sequence and series. So I made a partition here to help you understand better what is sequence and what is series. So we will begin with sequence first. The definition of sequence is if f of n is a function defined from n to r such that f of n is equal to Tn, where n belongs to capital N. Wait, I will explain the meaning of capital N, capital R and n belongs to capital N. N is a set of all natural numbers, R is a set of all real numbers, n belongs to n. The n over here will take all the values from the set of natural numbers. For example, n is equal to 1, it will take T1. N is equal to 2, it will take the value of T2. N is equal to 3, then it will become T3. So the sequence is T1, T2, T3 up to Tn. So these are the terms of the sequence. Remember it. So let's begin with series now. The definition of series is addition or subtraction of the terms of the sequence. We have studied the terms of sequence which are T1, T2 up to Tn. Series is nothing but just addition or subtraction of that terms of the sequence. So we can write the series as Sn is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn, where n is the nth term of the series. So this is the important formula for any sequence. Tn is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Remember this formula, we will catch up it on the problems. So let's begin with arithmetic progression. The definition of arithmetic progression is a sequence is said to be an AP if Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to constant, where all n belongs to capital N. The definition itself said that the difference between any two consecutive terms of AP has to be constant. Then and then only the sequence will be called as an AP. I have written some formulas over here which will help you in solving the numericals. The first formula, which is very common and which will be very useful for us, will be nth term of an AP. The formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, where A is the first term of the AP and D is the common difference which we have explained in the definition of the arithmetic progression. So the sequence of AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D up to A plus n minus 1D. If we calculate the difference between these two terms, it will be D. And if because the sequence is in AP, that's why the second formula we will deal with the sum of n terms. The formula is n by 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1D, and the another formula is n by 2 into bracket A plus Tn. It includes the formula of Tn, so it will be very beneficial for us. So remember it. These are the two conditions which will help in the problems. Three numbers A, B, C are in AP. The condition will be 2B is equal to A plus C. If four numbers, like where there are three numbers, here four numbers A, B, C, D are in AP, then A plus D is equal to B plus C. This is the condition.